Good afternoon. Chapter Continuity and Differentiation, Exercise 5.1, question number 17. So, the question is 17 number. Find the relationship between A and B so that the function f defined by fx equal to ax plus 1 if x less than equal to 3 and bx plus 3 if x greater than 3 is continuous at x equal to 3. So the question is find the relationship between A and B. Okay. So function fx is fx equal to ax plus 1 ax plus 1 x when x less than equal to 3, when x less than equal to 3, and bx plus 3 bx plus 3. So x plus 1 x less than equal to 3 and bx plus 3 when x greater than 3, x greater than 3. Okay. So this is the function. So is continuous at x equal to 3. It is given question, it is continuous. So we know continuous means, that means at x equal to 3 point in this question. So at x equal to 3 point, that means limit x tends to 3 plus fx value and limit x tends to 3 minus fx value, these two are same because it is given question, function is continuous. Okay. So now one by one find limit x tends to 3 plus and x tends to 3 minus at x equal to 3 point. So at x equal to 3, at x equal to 3, limit x tends to 3 plus fx, 3 plus fx plus value, that means right hand limit, equal to limit x tends to 3 plus, and fx means greater than 3 plus means greater than 3 and greater than 3 means bx plus 3, bx plus 3, that is 3 plus greater than 3. Now put x equal to 3, so 3b plus 3, this is equal to 3b plus 3 because x equal to 3. Okay, so this is the value of limit x tends to 3 plus, that is right hand limit. Now left hand limit x tends to 3 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 3 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 3 minus, and fx means when 3 minus, that is less than 3. So less than 3, function is ax plus 1, ax plus 1, ax plus 1. This is the function. Now, so x equal to 3, so this is equal to 3a plus 1, 3a plus 1, and f3 also, f3, that is at x equal to 3, direct value f3. So f3 that is equal, when function is equal, that is ax plus 1, ax plus 1. So ax means, a means 3, so 3, that is x means 3, so 3a plus 1, 3a plus 1. So if f3 equal to 3a plus 1. Okay. Now since function is, it is given question, it is continuous. Since that means according to question, since fx is continuous, fx is continuous at x equal to 3. At x equal to 3. Okay, it is given question. Now, so if continuous, that means right hand limit and left hand limit are equal. So this means, this implies limit x tends to 3 plus fx equal to limit x tends to 3 minus fx. These two are same because function it is continuous. So now, so what is right hand limit value? That is 3 plus, so right hand limit value 3 plus fx. So 3 plus fx means 3b plus 3. 3b plus 3. So 3b plus 3. 3b plus 3 equal to left hand limit value. Left hand limit value, that is 3a plus 1. So this is equal to 3a plus 1. 3a plus 1. Okay. Now calculate this. Find the relation a and b. That means 3 minus 1 equal to 3a minus 3b. So this means 2 equal to 3 minus 1, it is 2 equal to 3a minus 3b. So therefore 3a minus 3b equal to 2. So this is the relation. So you can write one more step, 3 common, then a minus b. So a minus b equal to 2 by 3. Equal to 2 by 3 or 3a minus 3b equal to 2. It's okay. So which is the relation between a and b? So this is the relation between a and b. This is the relation between a and b. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is the relation. See, write down.
Okay, sir.
This type of question is coming in, sir.
Sir, written.
Okay. Next question. Next. Question number 27. So 27 is fx equal to kx square when x less than equal to 2 and 3 when x greater than 2 at x equal to 2. Okay, and find the value of k. Find the value of k. So fx equal to kx square. So question is fx equal to kx square when x less than equal to 2. When x less than equal to 2 and 3 when x greater than 2. When x greater than 2. x greater than 2. Find the value of k. So fx equal to kx square when x less than equal to 2 and 3 when x greater than equal to 2 at x equal to 2. So at x equal to 2. And it is given question function is continuous. Okay. So you have to find right hand limit and left hand limit. And it is given question both are equal because it is continuous. Okay. So limit 2 plus and 2 minus value, that is first limit x tends to 2 plus fx equal to limit x tends to 2 plus and fx means when greater than 2. So greater than 2 it is 3. It is 3. Okay. So this is equal to 3. No x is there. So equal to 3. It is given question right hand limit value x greater than equal to 2, that is 2 plus is 3. Okay. So value is 3. Now left hand limit x tends to 2 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 2 minus fx means when less than 2. So when x less than 2, fx is kx square. So kx square. So x equal to 2. X equal to 2. That means 2 square k into 2 square. X equal to 2. So 2 square is 4 equal to 4k. This is equal to 4k. Okay. So according to question, right hand limit equal to left hand limit. So since fx is continuous, since fx is continuous at x equal to 2. So continuous at x equal to 2. So limit x tends to 2 plus fx, 2 plus fx, this is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus fx. 2 minus fx, rest are equal. Now, so 2 plus fx value, it is given question 3 and 2 minus is 4k. So 3 equal to 4k. 3 and 4k. So it is 3 equal to 4k. 4k. So this imply now k equal to 3 by 4. So k equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So k equal to 3 by 4. This is the answer. Question is find the value of k. This is the answer. Okay. All of you understand this?
Yes, sir.
See, I write down.
Yes, sir.
This type question important, right? Next question number 28. Next question. Fx equal to kx plus 1. 28 number, fx equal to kx plus 1 if x less than equal to pi, and cos x if x greater than pi at x equal to pi. at x equal to pi. So kx plus 1 when x less than equal to pi, and cos x when x greater than pi, and point is at x equal to pi. Find the value of k, and it is continuous. Same type question, it is continuous. Okay. Next question number 28. So fx equal to kx plus 1 when x less than equal to pi, when x less than equal to pi, and cos x when x greater than pi. Greater than pi. Okay, at x equal to pi. At x equal to pi. So fx equal to kx plus 1 if x less than equal to pi, and cos x if x greater than pi. Okay, so find right hand limit and left hand limit at x equal to pi. So limit x tends to pi plus right hand limit fx equal to limit x tends to pi plus, okay, so greater than pi. Pi plus means, so pi plus means greater than pi, that means cos x. Now x equal to pi, that means cos pi. Now what is the value of cos pi?
Minus.
Yes, cos pi is minus 1, so equal to sin pi is 0, because cos 0 is 1. Because why minus 1? Because cos 0 sin 0, okay,
Yes.
2 into 90 plus 0, like this you can write. So cos 0 1 and second quadrant cos negative, so it is minus 1. Good. So cos pi is minus 1. Now left hand limit x tends to pi minus fx. Pi minus fx equal to limit x tends to pi minus, that means less than pi, that is kx plus 1. Function is kx plus 1. This is the function, and x equal to pi. Okay, so k pi plus 1. So k pi plus 1. This is left hand limit. Okay, so since fx is continuous, so left hand limit equal to right hand limit. Since fx is continuous, so limit x tends to pi plus fx equal to limit x tends to pi minus fx. So left hand limit, right hand limit are equal because it is given question continuous. Okay, so its value, so pi plus value is -1, so it is -1 equal to, and pi minus value is k pi plus 1, k pi plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so calculate this, find the value of k. So this equal to -1 equal to k pi. -1 is equal to k pi. -2 equal to k pi. Okay, therefore k equal to -2 by pi. This is the answer. Okay, all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write down. See.
Everything.
Next question is 29 number. Fx equal to kx plus 1 if x less than equal to 5, and 3x minus 5 if x greater than 5 at x equal to 5. Okay, point is x equal to 5. Find the value of k when fx is continuous. Okay, question number 29. Fx equal to kx plus 1 when x less than equal to 5. When x less than equal to 5 and 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5 when x greater than 5. So kx plus 1 x less than equal to 5 and 3x minus 5 x greater than 5 at x equal to 5. At x equal to 5. Okay, so right hand limit, that is limit x tends to 5 plus x tends to 5 plus fx, 5 plus fx, and this equal to limit x tends to 5 plus, and 5 plus means greater than 5. So function is 3x minus 5. Greater than 5, 3x minus 5. Okay, greater than 5. Now this equal to, so put x equal to 5. So 3 into 5 minus 5. So 15 minus 5, it is 10. So this is right hand limit value plus value, that is greater than 5. Function is 3x minus 5 and at x equal to 5. So 3 into 5, 15. 15 minus 5, it is 10. So right hand limit is 10. Now left hand limit. Left hand limit, limit x tends to 5 minus fx. Okay, equal to limit x tends to 5 minus, so less than 5 minus less than 5 is kx plus 1 function, so it is kx plus 1. Okay, so since fx is continuous at x equal to 5, so since fx is continuous at x equal to 5. Okay, so left hand limit equal to right hand limit, left hand limit equal to right hand limit, and this means actually left hand limit means limit x tends to 5 minus fx, x tends to 5 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 5 plus fx, right hand limit, fx. Okay, so this means so 5 minus fx means kx, that is here x equal to, say put the value x equal to 5, so this equal to 5k plus 1. Okay, so this equal to actually x equal to 5k plus 1, so 5k plus 1, that is left hand limit, so it is 5k plus 1, 5k plus 1 equal to right hand limit. Right hand limit is value is 10. So 5k plus 1 x equal to 5. So 5k plus 1 equal to 10. Right hand limit is 10. So equal to 10. This is 10. Then 5k equal to 10 minus 1. 5k equal to 10 minus 1. So 5k equal to 9. Therefore k equal to 9 by 5. K equal to 9 by 5. This is the value of k and this is the answer. Okay, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, that means for any question we have to find right hand limit and left hand limit. So if this type question, find the value of k, find the value of lambda, okay, find the value of a, or find the relation between a and b, that means function it is continuous, it is given. So we know from the definition of continuity. So what is the definition of continuity? If a function is continuous at x equal to a, that means any point, then their left hand limit and right hand limit are same, then we can say it is continuous. If left hand limit and right hand limit are same, so left hand limit means their minus value. Suppose point is 2, that means 2 minus, and 2 minus means less than value, and 2 plus means greater than value, that is right hand limit. So you have to find always left hand limit and right hand limit. And if function it is continuous, then that means it is continuous at that point, that means they are equal. Equal means left hand limit value and right hand limit value are equal. Okay, so equal condition use and we will get whatever the unknown value a or k, whatever. Okay, so this is the procedure. So this type question is important, and this type question is coming in exam. Okay, 3 marks question. Now your question pattern is 1 marks, 2 marks, 3, 5. Okay. So tell you have any question, anyone? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Whatever done, all of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.